Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here where you get to select your desired language. Now for me, it already selected a correct one, so I'm just gonna proceed further by selecting Start, which presents me with the Inserting SIM card page. Now this step is completely optional and you don't actually need to insert a SIM card. The reason why it is here is so you can connect to some kind of network throughout the setup process. So SIM card is obviously one of the methods through mobile network, but the other way would be through Wi-Fi. Now if you choose to skip both of them, then date and time will not be set automatically, and also you won't see the Google login page throughout the setup process. Now both of those things can be changed later on once the setup is completed by going into the settings. So I'll be skipping both of them. So let's move on to the next page, which is the Wi-Fi connection. So again, I'm gonna skip this. Then we have privacy and software updates. So you can go into these. We have some kind of help improve Motorola products, enhanced device support, and smart updates. Now under that you have a little bit of a abbreviation, I guess, to what it does, and if you want it, keep it on. If you don't, then disable it. From there, obviously you need to select accept and continue, which brings us to the Google services. So we have services like use location, which is just a GPS tracking for the phone, so apps like Google Maps can work properly. Then we have allow scanning, which allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and so on, and then send user and diagnostic data, which allows Google to spy on you. From there, let's select accept, and this will present us with a lock screen. So by default, the phone opts into a PIN, a 4-digit PIN to be more precise, but you can tap right over here, screen lock options, and select something else like a pattern or password. Now I will be choosing pattern. Now if you don't want to use any kind of protection, you can obviously skip it, so the button is right here. But like I mentioned, I'll be using a pattern. There we go, now I set it up. And this will also prompt me to unlock with a fingerprint, so I can set up a fingerprint if I want to, though this isn't a requirement, so I can skip this because I don't want it. Stay in the know. So here we can just allow notifications from Motorola on some garbage, I guess, that it will notify you about. If you want, obviously allow notifications. If you don't care for it, if you don't want to be spammed with anything, select not now, and again select not now. Now next thing we have is providing your email address for spam mail. Again, I'm not too fond of this, so I'm gonna select not now, but if you want to receive some kind of updates, offers that they have, then you can provide it. So again, not now. And this will allow us to set up a theme. So we have two different ones. We have light and dark one. So this is just basically a mode, dark or light. Choose whichever one suits you more. I prefer the light one, so I'm gonna go to the next one. We have choose navigation style. You have the typical 3-button navigation, or you have the gesture nav, which is what I will be using. And then you're all set. So let's swipe up, and this will take us to the home screen with the device now being fully set up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.